Hey everyone, Steffi from Lone Rider. Today I want to show you how to replace the straps on your MotoBags. There are no tools required to replace the straps on your MotoBags. However, if you get hold of a ruler, it makes your job a little bit easier. First, have a look at our new MotoBag strap. There's an extra tensioner included, what is not required if you have the latest model of our bags. For all the older models, just keep hold of it. Either way, we take it off. Next, open the quick release buckle and remove all the fittings from your old strap and put those to one side. Then pull the strap out from the bottom of your MotoBag. Turn the bag on its head and pull the old belt out through the back plate. Before you install a new strap, ensure you fit it so the logo is pointing down. Install the new strap by feeding it through the back plate and then push the belt with the help of the ruler through the opening in the back towards the opposite side. Lifting the corner protection slightly upwards make this job a little bit easier. Now let's do the same process again. Push the strap through the opening in the MotoBag to the other side. Remove the ruler and pull it through to finish the job. To complete the first part of your install, reinstall the belt organizer and your quick release buckle. So, this part of the job is finished. Turn your bag around. To install the other half of your new strap, we first have to remove the old quick release buckle. That only takes seconds. First remove the elastic and put it to one side. Then push the retainer clip backwards through the back plate. And to install the new part, just reverse the last few steps. Push the new clip through the back plate with the help of two thumbs. Install the elastic by rubbing it twice around the clip and loop it back over the strap, and the job is done. All you have to do is do the same procedure on the other side. So you see, it takes literally minutes to replace the straps on your MotoBag. If you want to know a little bit more what colors we have in stock, go to our website lonerider-motorcycle.com. There you find all the information on all of our products. Until next time guys, bye.